It's so good I can't speak. I'm Elizabeth and I'm going to show you how to transform your gravy from bland into bold and flavoursome using our delightful Varo Jollof Sauce Medium. I'm going to start with 2 heaped tablespoons of gravy granules, boiling water, and I'm going to give it a good stir. Now for the magic, I'm just going to add a tablespoon, very generous, of our Jollof Sauce Medium that has ginger, garlic, onions, tomatoes, red bell peppers, chilies. You need to smell the aroma of this, guys. And now, folks, our jollof gravy is ready to be poured all over roast potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and Yorkshire pudding. Add a bit more there. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe at home. Jollof gravy.
Crazy?
Jollof gravy.